Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, we are going to unlock the most ethereal goddess attire hair combos that will leave Jajasthan and your runway glowing. So if you want that best hair combo for that light, frothy, ethereal look, let me just show you the steps. So for the hair, you only need to use 5 items in here. First, I'm going to go to the updo hair category and put on this updo. Choose the color that you prefer. I'm going to combine this two color. Okay. And also the curly hair category, this one. It's the same color, and then you can also use the adjustment feature to adjust the position and also the size. And I'm going to lower the scale to around 23. And next you can go to the updo hair category and put on this one, but only the bangs. And another updo hair, this one in here. Just use the same color. And last item is click on the bangs category and put on this pink bangs. So that's it. This is the final result of the ethereal hair combo in DJI. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.